Given the speeds of each runner below, determine who runs the fastest. So you want to know who runs the fastest. Now over here we can see that they are giving that someone ran 8 feet and per second. Someone ran 128 feet in 10 seconds, 1 mile in 474 seconds, and 795 feet in 1 minute. Now, what do you think? What is the difference what is the thing that is stopping us from calculating the comparison, from seeing the comparison?
Hmm. I don't know, it just goes like second and then 10 seconds and then like a bigger amount of time.
Okay. All right, let's highlight the things which are same. So here is second,
Yeah.
second, second,
That's it.
but there
Yeah.
is this minute, right?
Yeah.
That's different. All right. Now let's check out what are the things which are different when. So we first let us consider this only. So we want all of these things first to be in the same units. So if we want them to be in the same units, this is second, second, and second, but this one is minute. So what do we do to convert a minute into a second?
Oh, you know what? We divide it by 795 by 1.
No, no, don't go
No,
with
no,
these things.
no.
I'm just
Oh,
talking about a minute into a second. How many seconds are there in a minute?
60.
60. So 60 seconds. So this got converted into seconds?
Yes.
Perfect. That's what we wanted for the timings. Now timings are all in the same units. Our work is done here with the timings, right?
Yeah.
Now let's look at the other side. So this is in feet, this is in feet, this one is in feet, but this one is not in feet. What do we do? Do you know how many feet are in 1 mile?
Uh, I don't know. No. I think there's 3 yards in 1 mile. Yeah, 3 yards.
Don't worry, it will be given to you in the exam. 2000, sorry, 5280 feet in a mile. A mile has these many feet. Okay. So we got everything, all the units, measurement units, that is for running, also in feet, timings also in seconds,
Mhm.
right? Okay. So now see, this is Liz. Who is running? Liz is running 8 feet,
Feet per second.
yeah, per second, that is in 1 second.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. They are saying Tony is running 128 feet in 10 seconds. Now see, here when they're talking about 1 second. Whenever we want to make the comparison, a number should be there which is common, which is same. So over here, see, here is 1 second, but here is 10 second. So we want to make this 10 a 1. What can we do to make a 10 into 1? Always remember we can multiply or divide.
Oh, divide.
Divide with what?
Um, if we make the that 128 there, I
No, we want to make this 10 a 1. Like we want to say it also 1 second. What to do with the 10? To make it a 1.
you what? You
What do,
divide
with what?
um 10, but
Very. But whatever we are doing to one side, we also have to do to the other side. So 128 divided by 10, how much does it make?
um hmm, oh,
In decimals, you can tell me.
oh yeah, okay. Yeah. Oh, I'll tell you.
128 divided with a
Hold on, hold on. 12.8.
Very good, 12.8. Now we can make the comparison between Liz and Tony, right? Liz had ran 8 feet in 1 second. Tony had ran 12.8 feet in 1 second. So who has ran faster than Liz or?
20.
So they are telling us who runs fastest. That means Liz is out of the option, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Tony is still in the option, but let's also consider the case of Frank. Now Frank is running, we want the same units. So 5,280 feet in 474 seconds. Again, same thing. We want the unit to be same. So we want to make it a 1 second. What can we do to 474 to make it a 1?
Divided by 474 and then the 470.
Whatever we are doing here, we are doing here.
That's gonna take a long time now. Okay.
Don't worry. So because the calculator is allowed, so you don't need to do this big calculation on your own. So when we are dividing it, we are getting 11.14 approximately feet in this time. And now Frank is running in 1 second 11.14. Now who do you think? Liz is out of the option now. Tony is running the fastest 12.8 feet in 1 second, or Frank is running the fastest 11.14 feet in 1 second.
I think Tony.
Tony. 12.8 is bigger than 11.14, and both this is 1 and 1, so there is no comparison we need to do here because they're both the same thing.
Yeah.
Frank is out of the option, we know.
Okay.
So now, yeah, Brooke is left. Brooke. So Brooke is running 795 feet in 60 seconds. Again, to make the comparison, we want to make it a 1 second.
By 60. Divide by 60.
Very good. So on both the sides, we are dividing it with 60. 795 divided with 60 is giving us 13.25 feet in 1 second. This is for Brooke. So Liz and Frank are already out of the option. Option is Tony or Brooke. Now, Tony is here.
It's Tony. Or, yeah.
Tony is here. Brooke is here. So who is running the fastest in 1 second?
I think it's Tony.
Why is it Tony?
Because 12.
Yeah.
Well, if you look at the 8 and look at the 2, 8 is bigger than 2, so I just said Tony.
See, whenever we make the comparison, we always start from the first number, which is on the left side. That is the whole number we start from.
Then it's Brooke.
Yes. On the left side, there is 12. Here it is 13. 13 is bigger than 12.
It's Brooke.
Yeah. Tony is out of the option. Brooke is our correct answer. So Brooke is the answer.
Yeah.
Any question here in any part?
No.
Let's summarize this. So what is the thing we did? Number one thing is we want to make all the units same. Check out what is the maximum number of units. For example, everything was maximum in seconds. So we wanted this thing to also be in seconds. So that's why we converted into seconds. Secondly, we checked this a unit of running. Everything, all three things were in feet, but one thing was in mile. So we wanted to convert this also from mile to feet.
Oh yeah. Well, the only thing is I know as you said, it's dividing by 4/7. I know that part, but it says convert on mile. There's no conversion chart. What if I forget those stuff?
This 5280?
Yeah, what if if the next question says the same thing, a different number, but 1 mile? Yeah.
No worries. In your exam, it will be given. The conversions are given, be it kgs, be it feet, whatever. The lengths and conversions, everything is given to you in exam. This will be also given in the paper, in the question where we are going to attempt. That is, in 1 mile, how many is it going to be? But this is a very general thing. 1 minute, how many seconds? So usually this is not given because everyone knows 1 day, 24 hours, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Any questions in any part?
No.
All right. So let's go and do this. Oh, you can make a note of this.
Yeah.